Good morning and welcome to Anglo Siam Legal. My name is John. I'm a British and international lawyer. I'm the client affairs manager for the firm. I'm backed up by in-house Thai lawyers, barristers, accountants and consultants. One of the very most topical issues in Thailand at the moment is the crackdown on foreign-owned or foreign shareholder companies, and in particular nominees. This is going to be a series of 2 videos. The first will explain what is going on. The second, what ramifications are now coming from this for clients. So, what is a nominee? Essentially, a nominee is someone that you don't know. It's someone that you have no business or commercial ties with, no family ties with, and who generally doesn't operate a logistical part within any company. In effect, it's someone holding shares on your behalf that have no operational capacity or knowledge of the company, or indeed yourselves. Why the crackdown? Quite simple. Lots of businesses are operating in areas such as Phuket, Pattaya, Bangkok, Chiang Mai, and a lot of these foreign-owned businesses are actually carrying out work that is restricted, potentially in the transport and tourism sectors, the hotel sectors. Again, this is causing problems for local nationals, etc., thus the crackdown. Enforcement outcomes. Recently in Phuket, a further 23 people were arrested and detained for such matters as having nominee companies, operating in systems and areas where they weren't allowed to work. Property has been seized, companies and assets have been seized, closed down, etc. These people face fines, deportation, blacklisting, and in serious cases, actually criminal cases and convictions. Penalties for nominees. These are quite serious, so I'm going to read off a script here. As a nominee, or someone who's managing shares for a foreign national, you could face, and this is the Thai person, up to 3 years imprisonment, fines between 100,000 and 1 million baht, daily penalties of between 10 and 50,000 if you don't comply with court orders, confiscation of assets, revocation of business licenses, and effectively criminal proceedings. What this means for the business. Quite simple. If you have nominees, you need to address this. If your business is holding land and you're not operating, you need to address this. You cannot just have a shell corporation for holding land. Years gone by, it was maybe accepted. Whether it's right, whether it's wrong, that's not the case anymore. These companies are now being investigated, and the next video will go deeper into that. Your company should be operating. That's invoices in and out, bank transfers in and out, employees, etc. If not, potentially there are problems coming. Foreign investors should always set up a Thai company correctly, with people they know, not nominees, to be a legitimate business with proper setup procedures to protect the company. That's where we come in. If you think you wish to incorporate a company, Anglo Siam Legal will use our years of experience to do this right to ensure you're protected. If you think your company is not operating legally, our lawyers, commercial and otherwise, can review your company status, advise and recommend what should be done to make yourselves legal. So in effect, changes are coming. If you think you're going to have problems, or indeed if you wish to set up a company here in Thailand, contact us, the experts at Anglo Siam Legal. Thank you.